Welcome back to the Green Farm channel. This is Claudette and I'm here with a very special video for you today. It's a really exciting video because I have something super exciting underneath this piece of paper. If you follow us on Instagram or the Green Farm Facebook fan page, you might have seen a glimpse of it. And it was a glimpse because I know a lot of people were trying to pause the video to see it, and I tried to pause it to see it, and you really couldn't get a good look of it. And I thought it was really cute that you guys were trying to pause it and see the images. That was intended because it was just a sneak. I wanted to get you as excited as we are with this new kit. This is a big kit, and we've never had this one or this character on a big kit, so we are really excited that this kit has finally arrived after all these years. Without further ado, I won't tease you any longer. This is the new big kit that will be available for pre-order. I will give you that information in just a minute. I want to go over this kit real quick. We've got 10 images, or 10 Miss Anya. This kit is called, let me tell you what this kit is called first. It's called Miss Anya All Year. The intentions for this kit was to do a Miss Anya for every month of the year. Unfortunately, she's too big to have all 12 on here. So Marie did her best to incorporate or make some of the Miss Anyas a little bit more versatile, so you can use it for the other months that were not included. Take, for instance, this cutie right here. She is in, if you could see, she is in a jacket and a boot, and so it's winter Anya, so this probably might have been January, but we could incorporate this, or we could use her for Christmas, and then you could just color her in like a red outfit, or, you know, red and green, something Christmassy. So that would cover December, January, even November. Yeah, probably November, December, and January, that she could cover it. And she's holding a little gift, so I thought that was really cute. So yeah, unfortunately we weren't able to put 12 of them, which I really wanted, but because Miss Anya is such a bigger size, we couldn't do it and include sentiments and elements sprinkled throughout the kit. Okay, so let's look at each one of these Miss Anyas. We have a patriotic Miss Anya. I love the little sparkler, or is it sparkler? Yeah, the little sparkler she's holding, and then the flag. Unfortunately, I went ahead and colored the hair red, so it's kind of blending in with the flag. I do color my images with, I do color the hair first for every single one before I move on to the outfit, because the hair always takes me the longest. So yeah, I wasn't thinking things through when I colored her hair red and forgot that the flag would have blended, but oh well. She's cute nonetheless. Then we've got, like I mentioned, a winter one, and then we've got like a Valentine one with a box of chocolates shaped into a heart. We've got the summer Miss Anya with her big oversized hat and her little bikini, and then her sarong and a beach bag and a drink in her hand. I think this is so adorable. This one is my favorite. She is like for April showers. She has an umbrella, her raincoat, and her rain boots. We've not had one in such a long time, and I don't even think she is the one we have in the store, which is a digital. I don't even know if she's an Anya or if she's one of our other characters, but I'm really glad to finally have another one with an umbrella and raincoat, because like I said, I don't remember having an Anya in it. I've got to check back to see if it is. Anyway, so we go into this one, which is intended for October, and it is the Halloween one. I just love her little cute witch outfit and her holding the little jack-o'-lantern. Then we have the shopping one. So I love how the groceries are peeking out, and she's carrying her little reusable bags. This would be perfect for your planner. Then we've got another summer type stamp set with a phone in her hand. And then we got one of my other favorites, which is the travel Miss Anya. She has a suitcase, a carry-on bag, camera, and then check this out. There's even a little airplane tickets right there. How cute is that? And then this next one is a kind of like a back to school Miss Anya. She's holding her books and then her backpack or book bag. But yeah, we've also got some hearts. I'm sorry, some stars, hearts, dog, kitten, raindrops, flowers, and then once again the airplane tickets. And then we have a few sentiments. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got enjoy, have fun, let it sparkle, happy wishes to all, hello, and my treat. All right, so now that you've got to see everything in this big kit, let me go over the details with the pre-order. Pre-order starts June 9th through the 13th. Today, as you're seeing this video, it should be June 7th. So June 9th through the 13th is pre-order at $40. Once again, that's pre-order June 9th to the 13th at $40. Now, whatever's left over from this pre-order, if there is, will go into the store. And that price will then be $50. So this is a special pre-order price. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos regarding any of the big kits, that is how it always has been. I always recommend you buy the pre-order or you pre-order your stamp set because you're not guaranteed. One, you're not guaranteed a stamp set if you wait until it goes into the store because we don't know if there's going to be any leftovers. So if you pre-order, you're guaranteed your stamp kit, and then 2, you get the sale price. So I can't stress it enough is to just pre-order it. I hate seeing, messages to us saying they missed it. Not that I hate seeing that you're messaging us that. I just feel really bad that you missed the pre-order. So, and then I can't even answer whether or not there's going to be any left in the store. And the thing with these big kits is they are not in stock at all in the store besides after the pre-order and whatever's left. So meaning let's say that we sent out all the pre-orders and then we have like 20 of these left to put into the store. Once those 20 sets are sold, this is not an inventory that we keep in the store is what I mean by that. So that's why I always recommend you guys just go ahead and pre-order it. You get it, you're guaranteed a set and you get it cheaper. And you don't ever have to worry. The estimated date of arrival for this is about the beginning of July, and hopefully it's probably, hopefully it's sooner than that, but if not, around the beginning of July. And then once all the pre-order sets have been sent out to everybody who has ordered it, whatever is left will go into the store, and then I don't know when everything's going to be sent out because I'm not in their packing facility to see when exactly that's going to be. But it's going to be after everything's sent out and we make sure everybody gets theirs set before we put it into the store. So that's why I recommend it. I can't stress that enough. I do always get messages regarding that, and I feel really bad when you guys do miss out and there's no more in stock. So please, please, please pre-order it. All right, so I think I gave you all the information regarding this. I hope you enjoyed today's video and seeing this awesome new set. I'm just so in love with it. I can't wait to see how you guys use this set. I'm sure you will color it way better than I do, especially the curly hair. I tried my best, but I did really enjoy coloring. Anyhow, thank you for joining us. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share our video with your fellow crafters. The more you do that, the more our channel gets seen and we can see what kinds of videos you like us to post. And we know that you guys are watching during preview time so that you can see, when you subscribe, you can see these things that you don't see on it. If you're not on Instagram or Facebook, you won't see it being previewed. All right. Well, anyways, thank you everyone and have a great week, and tag us when you use the set or any of our sets. We love seeing what you guys create. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.